Hi there, my name's Matt, and this is a beginner level 5-minute mindfulness meditation on the breath. So, as we begin, the invitation is to find a position that is comfortable for you. It might be sitting on a chair or sitting on the couch, lying down, doesn't matter how it looks, but it does matter how it feels. It should be comfortable and allow for alertness so we can start to pay attention to our experience of what's going on in our minds and in our hearts. So to begin, you could shake your anything. Shake anything that feels like it could do with a bit more openness. And if you like to close your eyes, you could close your eyes softly. If you don't like to close your eyes, you could keep them open and look towards me or a point in front of you and softly gaze towards that. Let's begin. So the invitation here is to feel into you as much as is available. Feeling how your body feels, any tension anywhere at all, honouring it. And if you can invite a bit more ease into any of those places, to do that. And starting to explore the breath and help us to anchor into the breath. We might deepen it together, breathing, if it feels good, through the nose, if not, through the mouth, inhaling. And let your exhale be just as deep, if not deeper, as you exhale. Again, inhaling. You can make noise with the breath, you can make it super deep, or you can just connect to lighter breaths, and as you exhale, letting it go, and any physical tension that you might feel. Inhaling, and as you exhale, letting any muscles of the face that feel tight soften, maybe your neck, your shoulders, your chest. Now we're going to stay with that breath, that deeper breath. And as you inhale, I'd like you to count upwards to 3 with your inner voice. So inhaling, 1, 2, 3. Pause at the top, notice the pause, and exhale, 1, 2, 3. And pause. Staying with the breath, paying attention to it, how it feels. Inhale, 1, 2, 3. Pausing. Exhale, 1, 2, 3. Let's take a few breath cycles here in silence, noticing how the breath feels and using your inner voice to count as you breathe. Noticing the pause between the inhale and exhale cycle. And whenever our attention heads off towards whatever we might end up thinking about, usually habitual stuff, to-dos, plans, judgments, just re-anchor yourself with that 1, 2, 3 as you feel the breath. No matter how many times you notice yourself heading off. Some wonderful teachers that I have say it's not important how many times you head off. It's important how many times you come back to this moment. Let's take 3 breaths to finish our 5-minute practice. Together, inhaling. Use the count if you like. Exhaling. Releasing any tension that wants to let go. Inhale. Exhaling. Last one. Big exhale. You can open your mouth if you like and let it go. Thank you so much for allowing me to guide you through your practice.